Stewie Bird, do you want to go to work? Do you want to go to work? Step up. Good bird. What a good bird you are. You're a fast learner, bird. Come on, let's go to work. Step up. I'm going to put him on my shoulder. Turn off the fan. That's where I work. Fan's almost stopped, keeping him safe. It's really slow, so he should be good any minute. And I'll go get my bladeless fan. Okay, here we go. Going to work. Going to work. Going to work. All right. Step up. Step up. Oh, he doesn't want to get off my shoulder. That's okay. We can hang out. I like to hang out and drink coffee. A student gave this to me 2 years ago. Very good student. Very sweet student. I miss her. She knows who she is. I hope she's doing well. All right? We're going to work.